Welcome to my channel. Angelina Jolie accused FBI of unlawfully withholding information amid Brad Pitt's physical abuse case trial. Angelina Jolie and the Federal Bureau of Investigations are still engaged in a dispute around the Maleficent actress's demand for a variety of records that are connected to the agency's probe into her ex-husband Brad Pitt, a new report claimed. In accordance with the court documents that were obtained, attorneys for the Department of Justice and the Federal Bureau of Investigations presented the court with an update regarding the case that Angelina, who is 49 years old, has brought before the court. The parties are continuing to meet and confer regarding outstanding issues, lawyers of both sides told the court. Over the course of the following month, Angelina and the FBI will continue their conversation and provide the judge with an update. In April of 2022, the actress who appeared in Girl, Interrupted filed a federal case brought against the various government entities. Angelina had stated that she had submitted a request to the FBI under the Freedom of Information Act. The request was for the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, to hand over materials that were associated with the investigation that was initiated on September 14, 2016, into Brad's alleged behavior when he was aboard a private plane. However, a few days later, Angelina filed for divorce. As part of a separate legal dispute, Angelina asserted that Brad had verbally and physically abused her while they were on the plane. Brad choked one of the children and struck another in the face, the SALT actress lawyer said. Furthermore, Angelina stated that Brad had taken her by the head and provided her with a shake. It was alleged by her attorney that Brad spilled beer on Angelina and red wine on the children's faces. Brad called Angelina's account of the events into question. According to a source who spoke at the time, Brad denied that he had gotten physical on the plane. After receiving a call from an unknown individual on the incident that occurred on the plane, the Los Angeles County Department of Children and Family Services initiated an investigation. A further investigation into the situation was conducted by FBI agents. During the month of November in 2016, FBI spokesperson Laura Imler made the announcement that Brad will not be facing any charges. The FBI has conducted a review of the circumstances and will not pursue further investigation. No charges have been filed in this matter, she said. Brad has owned everything he's responsible for from day one, unlike the other side, but he's not going to own anything he didn't do. He has been on the receiving end of every type of personal attack and misrepresentation, Brad's lawyer previously said. Thankfully, the various public authorities the other side has tried to use against him over the past 6 years have made their own independent decisions. Brad will continue to respond in court as he has consistently done, she went on. The lawsuit that Angelina filed stated that she had submitted a Freedom of Information request to the FBI, asking for records that were related to the investigation and for answers on the process by which the agency decided that no charges should be made. She claimed that the Federal Bureau of Investigation had unlawfully withheld the requested information. The persistent denial of that information to Jolie, redacted, a victim of the assault herself, has hampered and continues to hamper her efforts to obtain for her children necessary ongoing care and medical attention, and has further harmed the children in the family law system, Angelina's lawyer wrote in court documents. Angelina asserted that the FBI spokesman had declared that the inquiry had been terminated without ever alerting her of the decision. In the lawsuit, the FBI denied that there was any accusation of wrongdoing. One of the attorneys representing the agency stated that they will collaborate with Angelina's team in order to determine whether or not additional investigative records might be made public. According to the FBI, it sent out an additional 100 pages of documents to Angelina Jolie in the previous year. The Jaya actress, on the other hand, has not yet withdrawn her statement. Thank you for watching. Stay with us for more videos.